a sad secret. We all remember the bush ranger, right? If you go to his old spawn location, he passed away. Like to pay respect.